Here we'll write a function to find largest element from array using recursion. So comment line will write. First we'll define one integer function. So static int find largest with two parameters as array and n, that is array element. First we'll check n is equal to the number of array elements. So we'll use if statement. So if n equal to array dot length minus 1, we will return array of n. Else we will find the largest element from the array. We can use two methods. One is math.max function and other is if statement. First we will do it with math.max function. For this we will define one integer variable array max, and here we will call the function find largest and we will pass array and n plus 1 as a parameter, and we will compare this array max with ith element of the array with math.max function. So return math.max and we'll pass array max and array of n as a parameter. Then in main method, first we'll accept number of elements from the user to store in array. For this we'll define one integer variable n and we'll declare one integer array. Then we'll accept n value from the user. So console.writeLine, enter total elements to accept. In n we will accept it by converting to integer. Then we'll accept the array elements using for loop. So for int I equal to 0, I less than n and I plus plus. First we'll print the message enter element, and in array we will accept it. So array of I equal to convert dot to int32 console dot readline. Then we call the function find largest array and 0 as a parameter, that is we'll pass first element of array, that is we are checking it from the first element. Since the function is returning value, we'll call it in console.writeLine. Then we will execute it. I'll give total element as 5 and I will enter the elements. It will print 8, that is largest element is 8. We will write message here largest element from array, and again we execute. I will give 5 and I will enter the elements. It will print largest element from array as 8. Here we will use if statement to check the largest element. So if array max is less than array of n, we will assign array max equal to array of n and will return array max. And if we execute again, I will give total element as 5 and I will enter the elements. It will print largest element from array as 9. That is we can use math.max function or we can use if statement to compare the array elements and return the largest elements from array.